Senator Bola Ahmed Tinubu as the first of his kind in this new arrangement and narrative of Nigeria change for better tomorrow. We believe that if we set up a movement and enshrine the institution for us to be taking presidency turn by turn for a single term of 5 years, in 30 years, we believe power will have rotated through the 6 political regions of Nigeria. We don't believe in taking arms against the federal government, but we believe in using political solution by adopting the present political narrative to change Nigeria for betterment, using power rotation. The first of its kind is this movement that we have set up. Our movement is Nigerian Reformation Unity Forum. The present project we are doing is TNN. We are non-negotiable family.
Non-negotiable.
Because it's Tinubu, we are calling it non-negotiable. By the time power rotates in 2023 after Tinubu has become president, we will now make another person non-negotiable. So by the time we come to the southeast, we will make Martin Onowu non-negotiable. We now make it MNN. TNN.
Non-negotiable.
It's a reward system. We must stop buying GC for our people. And we say Nigeria is not growing. Give merit to people who deserve the merit. Tinubu refused to join any political party. He believed in the vision of wrestling power from the power of incumbency.
Yes,
and he joined hands with Buhari. They have done it 2 times when Buhari did not agree with him in 2011. Buhari has been doing it from 2003. He did not win. In 2007, he did not win. In 2011, he came with Tinubu, but there was a disagreement about the political party. But in 2015, they got it right by adopting the 2-party from ACN to CPC and joining together to make APC. Buhari represents the whole North in that arrangement. Tinubu represents the whole South. If Buhari has been given president, is it too much for us to give Tinubu president?
No.
And that is what we are drumming to people. That is not abnormal. It is not out of place for Tinubu to come and bring development. Buhari has given us anti-corruption saga. And a lot of people who are corrupt, they have run away. Now we must build on that dividend of democracy by bringing development. Otherwise, we will lose all the gain of APC for the last 8 years. So by so doing, we are saying we should give support to Senator Bola Ahmed Tinubu. Not because of anything, because TNN is involved. Because we are going to galvanize him and ensure that power rotates adequately. And we are coming with power rotation to reformation by bringing Nigeria into regional development of the 6 regional states.
All right, sir. Our focus is Southeast. So, are you satisfied with it? You are satisfied. What do you want to say?
I am overwhelmed with Southeast member turnout today, with their hospitality. All the leaders of Southeast welcome me from the airport and they ushered me to the venue. I was given an award and chieftaincy title today. It is more than welcoming. It is more than welcoming. In fact, we are very proud to work ceaselessly for the collective progress of the Southeast in Tinubu government. I will lead the member of TNN to bring good development to Southeast and to ensure that power rotates peacefully to Southeast, not with any arms of violence. Because to which much is given, much is expected. And it's an experience to take back home to the whole Nigeria and my principal to see that Southeast are more politically matured and they are resolute to have one Nigeria where they will rule collectively a whole Nigeria, not to come and rule only Southeast as people believe. So I thank you very much and I appreciate you in what you are doing in in welcoming us today to be here with you. I thank you. God bless you. TNA, TNA, non-negotiable.
We just witnessed this groundbreaking event. So, how do you feel
Well,
having MK here?
MQ wonderful.
Voice out, sir. Voice out.
MQ have been doing wonderfully well. Not only and what we are doing and what we are doing everywhere, we are playing we are all agreed that we are going to get. In fact, some people have been making noise. They are not making noise because they want Tinubu not to be elected. They are making noise as a result of them not being considered. Most of them are going to leave after 2023. Now, in their various local government, senatorial zone, their state, they are seeing the movement going, and they are saying non-negotiable. Yeah, Tinubu is going to occupy one position out of thousands of positions. What is their own? What is their own interest? Their interest is to participate. So don't forget that little hits they are having is a result of politics, so that we are going to consider them. Now, when we are saying Tinubu non-negotiable, their own need to be negotiated, because we need to look at their own history. What have they done in their own senatorial zone, state? We are going to check all those things to now know if they are capable of ruling us. And what we are doing in TNN, we are looking at 5 grants to take over from these people. At the age of 60, most of them will promise, they have forgotten. It's not intentional act. Most of them have loss of memory. Not that they are doing it intentionally. Now we want people that will stand. And when they say they are going to do this, we hold them responsible. He told me he's coming. He's there. My regional manager told me they are coming. They are here. So these are the people that want to work in 2023. We have to retire all those old politicians so that Nigeria can move forward.
Finally, I want to ask this.
You're looking at the camera.
I understand that you have a responsibility trying to bring out people from the shares to participate. So, what are you going to do?
No.
Trying to galvanize more to key into this?
Yeah, we have the people you are seeing here are some people who selected in their state.